So here's what we're doing here. The rounded faced hammer.
Rounded alternately on the corner. Do you ever localize that heat and upset it lengthwise when you work on it?
I don't.
The last guy you saw do it.
I don't. I know that's a way to do it, but
Did you start at 2 inches, or did you figure so that you end up with 2 inches?
no, I started at 2 inches. So we're going to end up with 1 3/4 inches. Except by the time I upset it, it's actually going to be about 1 5/8 inches. Trying to get me. Yeah, when I first started doing Cascadian ironwork, I was real torn about those hammer blows on the corners, because everything you read about good blacksmithing tells you you don't put random hammer blows. But it's what the architecture calls for, so after a while I got to where I kind of like doing, I consider that an edge texture now. And if I'm layering stocks, I'll do a different type of edge texture on each different layer, and it really adds a lot to the design. Notice I'm straightening that bow out down here on the horn so I can get purchase beyond where that little bit of upset has started. Straighten these out. Get the bird in there. Just a nice slow heat on this guy.